We have two cameras, the Osmo Action 1, the Osmo Action 3. And of course we have screen switch, start recording, start recording, and you can see this one has an issue and that one has an issue. Take photo, shut down. Now, if we go to quick capture on both of them and hit them 1000, 1000, we're recording. Stop recording.
Thank you. Thank you. The chicken liver pate, it's a surprise for
There you go.
me.
It's not about the mistakes the camera makes, but you get the idea. We can hook up a microphone and do the same for this. It'd be fair that we turn the microphones around. I could use the Rode Wireless Go if I like. And I'm going to use just the microphone here. Place it on the side. And the on and off button's located over here. It's a little difficult to press. And this is a lot easier to press. Start recording. Stop recording. Take photo. Screen switch. Screen switch. Shut down.